Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to see the upgrade version of table script called Smart Table Script. And if you don't know about the table script, click the link here or in the description to watch the previous video. This script works exactly like a table script, but it has additional advantages into it. Let's begin. I am going to copy the text from the Excel and paste it into the InDesign. You can see the first text frame is text overset purposefully and check the layer. Currently we have only one layer called text layer. Watch what happened when I run the script. Now load the script into the script panel and assign a shortcut key if you wish. And if you don't know how to load the script, click here to watch the video. Now select one or more text frame in the document, right click and run the script. It's done. All the selected text frame is now converted to table. Cool, isn't it? Now you can see the text overset is automatically fixed. Also, check the layer. It has created a new layer called table and moved all the table into it. This script not only applies the cell style, it will convert the header into header row and footer into footer row, so that in future, if you break the text frame like this, it will automatically apply the header and footer row to the threaded text frame. Alright, you could able to modify the fonts, swatches, and alignment. If you want to change the color of the table, go to the swatches. You can see the individual swatches as created, like header, subheader, stroke, and text color. I'm going to set everything to cyan. Now you can see the table color has updated. Now let's change the font style. Go to the paragraph style. You can see the new style named Master Style. Right click and edit. Make sure the preview button is turned on. Now go to the basic character. Choose the font you want. In this case, I'm going to choose Comic Sans. You can see all the text in the table is updated to Comic Sans. Even you can adjust the font size. I'm going to set the font size to 7. You can see everywhere it's updated with 7 point size. Now let's change the alignment. I'm going to change the price column to right alignment. Select the price column and click the right alignment. And go to the paragraph style. Redefine the price header and prices. It's updated. Alright, what if the user has already have a table in the document? Well, it will update the existing table with new styles. Also, this script works for all languages. So currently we have a table. It contains some French text into it, also some extra empty rows and empty columns. Now select the table. This time I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut to run the script. By pressing the Ctrl+1, the table is created. So now you can see it's updated with new styles, new font and alignments. Also, it's deleted the empty rows and columns. Great, isn't it? I hope you like the script. You can download the script for free, but consider making a payment of your choice. Will be grateful. The script and the donation link is available in the description box. If you want to donate something, click the link in the description. It will direct you through the PayPal account. Enter the amount you want and pay me. That will be really grateful. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you won't miss any video which I posted. Thank you all.